I've got some time, and I started getting curious again about bracelets. So I found this one on eBay. The person who's selling it is asking a ridiculous amount of money that no one would ever pay, I'm sure, unless I'm really out of my depth. But that bracelet, huh? Okay, what do we got here? Look at that, solid stainless. It's a real tight mesh. Oh, wait, do we have 190? Do we show the other side? Hang on. Oh, stop that, for goodness sake. I'm it. XBB 190, I think. Yeah. XBB 190. Not many people know it, but I founded Wrist Sushi. Want to buy bracelet or links? 2018. There it is. There's another good shot of it, huh? Okay, so it's a real... I might have some links that look like this, but I'm not sure. There it is. XBB 190. Looks like it's got it's got a integrated end piece that's spot welded in place. That's a nice bracelet. That's kind of crazy to me. That's some nice stuff. That's some nice quality. Ooh, somebody knows how to take good photographs. Wait, why does it have black hands? Oh, no. It was the way he was lit. I have no affiliation with this guy, by the way, though he does take nice pictures. Yeah, that's a pretty picture, isn't it, huh? This person should spend their time and take pictures of watches more. Good photographs there. That's t-shirt worthy. Ooh, that's t-shirt worthy. Ooh, that's t-shirt worthy. Yeah, there that is. XBB 190. So that's my target. Oh, look at that shot. No, not that one. Look at that. That's crazy. I don't remember seeing a stamp like that on a bracelet that I can remember. Isn't that weird? Look, it looks like it's... I mean, maybe it's polish in there, but it looks like it was stamped in. Boy, that's really strange. And look at the T's. They go whoop, and they're both pointing up above. It's crazy. That's really crazy. Is that L really short like that? This looks like somebody drew this out by hand, and they made a stamp off of that and then stamped it in, because that's what a lot of watch design is they make something really big and they draw out the design and then they make that really small and then they replicate it. This looks like it was done by hand. Do you people think I'm insane? What am I looking at there? Isn't that weird? What in the heck? Gosh, I hope I can find one of these. Wouldn't that be neat? Well, I'm pretty sure I don't have one of these. Pretty sure I don't have one. So, I guess my hunt begins. Yeah, that's something. That's pretty, isn't it? That is pretty. That's pretty. Look at that random granularity. That's what I'm talking about. That really gives it that, you know, that just sort of lovely, I don't know. It's a more, it's obviously, it's not planned out. I don't know how they would have done it. Maybe it was a press onto sand or something. Maybe it was sintered. Who knows? But it's beautiful. They did a beautiful, beautiful job. Yeah, I want to find a bracelet for this one. I have it on a leather now, but I think this is one of those watches that's really gonna reward me for trying to be a completionist and get it onto the right bracelet. Yeah. No, would you stop that? That is pretty. I can't believe I own one. They're not actually worth a lot of money. These people are asking ridiculously stupid amounts of money, in my opinion. Hell, I don't know anything. Well, okay. I'm going to start digging around and see if I can find that bracelet. Okay, thank you very much. And we're going to put that right there. Okay, cool. Okay, ta-da. No, it's not ta-da. This is the closest that I can find. And it doesn't fit. This is, I'm still pretty proud that I remembered that I had something like this. But it's folded link, it's not solid. This has 5, like that one does, but the length of this, basically those are a lot tighter. I mean, it's close. It's close. If I could modify the end link, sure, maybe, but the problem is the end link it's a little too short. For a second, I thought I got something cool digging through my links. Very close, but it only has 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, the length of each individual thing is probably about, maybe, I don't know, half? Not really sure. It's a nice bracelet, though. That's a really nice bracelet. That's on par with these. This is a fishbone for a helmet. Yeah, you can even see that hey, look at that. It looks like a broad arrow, doesn't it? I mean, it's not, but this has that same kind of look. Isn't that fun? Isn't that interesting? This is one of the... I don't think they're faking that stamp yet. No, this is an original one. That's original Seiko. That's the real deal. Okay. Well, I'm going to continue looking. If anybody knows where I can find one of these bracelets, let me know. Until then, it's going to live on this Seiko 19. Oh, Seiko 18. I lied. That's right. I have the little spacers in there. See? That's what you do. Those are little spacers. And that's going to go back on. Okay, cool. Thank you for watching.